Oh no, Billy, are you serious? We better call Channel 6 News. That's not funny, Tommy! This is serious! Why would Mom do that to me? It's because you're not Mom's favorite anymore, Billy. She replaced you with Riley. I used to have movie nights with Mom until you were born, and then I got replaced. Don't say that, Michael! I'm still Mom's favorite! She could never replace me! I'm one of a kind! Trust us, Billy. You've been replaced. And it's not a big deal. Who cares? Mom talks the whole time during movies anyway. You just gotta deal with it now, Billy. You guys are wrong, you'll see. You're just jealous of Mom's favorite. She could never replace me. Okay. Boys, me and Riley just finished our movie. I'm gonna take her to the hair salon. Mom, can I go? I want a haircut. No, you can't go with us, Billy. Look at your hair. It's a tangled mess. You embarrass me. Just go get a brush and brush it. What? But you used to love my hair, Mom. Fine, whatever.
2 hours later.
Boys, we're home from the salon. Look at Riley's new haircut. Are you flipping kidding me? What's the matter, Billy? Don't you like it? Look how cute she looks. No, I don't like it, Mom. That's literally my same exact haircut. What are you talking about, Billy? No, it's not. It's totally different. Oh, no. It's Billy 2.0. Billy, I didn't know you had an identical twin. Hey, Billy, what's your favorite movie? The Replacements? Knock it off, you guys! Oh, man, I think they're right. Mom is trying to replace me. Okay, I'm gonna go make dinner. You guys play nice with your sister. We told you so, Billy. Welcome to the Middle Child Club. That haircut doesn't even look good on you, Riley. I'm